KONA N, we provide an uncompromised performance vehicle that suits the various needs of different lifestyles, combining performance with SUV capabilities. My name is Denny Redzepovic, and I'm from the product team at Hyundai Motor Europe, where I'm in charge of the KONA N. The all-new KONA N, our very first high-performance SUV, was developed in accordance with the three pillars of N: corner rascal, everyday sports car, and racetrack capability. It offers the same fun to drive and performance as the other N models, even with an SUV body type. Electronic limited slip differential and traction mode selector ensure excellent performance in various road conditions, especially while cornering. N performance functions made possible through its 8-speed dual clutch transmission, so-called NDCT, contribute to its everyday sports character. Finally, features primarily designed for racetrack driving, such as launch control and N-grin shift, ensure its racetrack capability. Further N-specific features that maximize the performance and contribute to an all-around sporty experience are the N-grin control system with 5 drive modes, including N mode and custom mode, customized N hotkeys on the steering wheel allow any type of presets to be mapped according to individual needs, as well as the exhaust afterburn sound and electronic sound generator for a thrilling sound experience. All-new KONA N is an urban, compact SUV with hot hatch performance. It delivers the comfort and convenience benefits of an SUV with power and performance of an N model. The KONA N features, for example, high-performance braking system with increased size of front and rear discs, rack-mounted MDPS for improved responsiveness and stability, electronic stability control for more stability during cornering, which can be operated in 3 modes: on, sport, and off. Electronic controlled suspension enables the driver to influence the stiffness of the suspension at the push of a button, and N-Power Sense Axle, an N-dedicated front axle with enhanced lateral stiffness and reduced weight for fast and precise feedback. Various motorsport-inspired features further contribute to an all-around dynamic driving experience, such as 19-inch forged alloy wheels and high-performance tires, sport seats, and an emotional sound experience. KONA N will be available with an 8-speed dual clutch transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo GDI flat-power engine, with a maximum output of 280 PS and 392 Nm of torque. By implementing the flat power delivery, the driver can reach faster the maximum torque and maintain it for a longer period with consistent acceleration performance. KONA N delivers maximum speed of 240 km per hour and can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 6.4 seconds. And using launch control, acceleration is even just 5.5 seconds. KONA N is available with a wet-type 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. NDCT provides the engaging experience of a sequential gearbox with the convenience of an automatic transmission. The driver has the possibility to shift manually using the paddle shifters or the gear shift knob. NDCT technology enables 3 N performance functions that are enhancing the car's capabilities by using a dedicated shift logic management. N Power Shift provides a push feel when upshifting. N-Grin Shift delivers an extra boost to maximize engine and DCT performance for 20 seconds. And N-Track Sense Shift recognizes when the car is on the track and optimizes the gear selection and shift timing for performance driving conditions. All-new KONA N features the modern design of the new KONA with the bold and dynamic language of the company's N division. This includes exclusive alloy wheels, large air intakes, KONA light signature for an aggressive and powerful appearance, N logo on the upper grille, triangular brake light, large dual exhaust mufflers, and body-colored fenders that bring KONA N visually closer to the ground and enhance its powerful stance. To improve its aerodynamic performance, KONA N features also dedicated front and rear bumper and side sill, large rear diffuser, and a large double-wing rear spoiler for enhanced downforce. The KONA N comes in 7 exterior colors, including the new dedicated N SUV color Sonic Blue with red accents. The interior offers performance-oriented look and feel. The N exclusive sport steering wheel features an optimized grip and button layout for dynamic driving, paddle shifters, and buttons for easy activation of high-performance features, NGS plus 2 customizable N buttons. KONA N further comes with N logo applied on the steering wheel, gear shift, and the seats. The N dedicated one-tone black interior with performance blue accents is available in cloth, leather, or suede seats. KONA N is available with the same Hyundai SmartSense active safety features as the new KONA, including blind spot collision avoidance assist, rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist, and forward collision avoidance assist with cyclist detection. For a more fun-to-drive outdoor experience, it comes with the two-wheel drive traction mode. Driver can choose between 4 different modes: mud, sand, snow, and deep snow, a mode exclusive for KONA N. The KONA N features a 10.25-inch fully digital cluster and a 10.25-inch AVN touchscreen with N-mode graphics. Also, the KONA N is our first high-performance car featuring a head-up display. It provides visual feedback on information such as RPM bar, speed, and gear. The N team has evolved the already dynamic KONA with a performance-oriented design and built a fun machine as well as the perfect everyday sports car.